my first flight. And I'm just going to do a spin around. We got a storm coming in. Wow. Look at this, Marcia. Look at this. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
Shows me the businesses. Look at that.
You're looking towards the east?
Yeah, Kimball.
Yeah, because it's dark. Sky's dark.
Look at that zoom. Look at that rain. There's rain right there.
Mm-hmm. Maybe it's a tornado.
I like that how it shows you the names of the streets and the overlays.
Really? Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, look at West Ridgeway Avenue.
Yeah, I see that. Line.
Right here. What I want to see.
Have you set up home?
I already have, yeah. Look at here. I'm gonna zoom in on this cell tower.
You got some birds.
Look at this.
Interested. Swallows.
Yeah, that's fine.
You're pissing them off.
Marcia, I got my beacon. My beacons are on. Look at this. 2,690 foot away. Let's zoom in. That was only 12x zoom. Look at this. Look at that.
Now you can do infections.
Yep. Touch on the screen.
Is she not home yet?
I can look at forward facing. Zoom back. Go wide angle. There's the wide angle, which is the same as no zoom. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and return to home.
Return to home.
Yeah. I'd say they're swallows. Maybe they're martins. I don't know. Oh, so this was my first flight.